This left task is related to the wait system call and the exit system call. The first C program demonstrates basic process creation using fork and explore the behavior of parent and child processes, especially focusing on the scenario where the child processes outlives the parent process. After including the necessary header files, we will create different functions, and the key points of this program are: the fork function creates a new child process. The child and parent process execute their respective code blocks based on the return value of fork. Get PID return the process ID of calling process. Get PID returns the parent process ID. The sleep in the child process ensures that the parent process terminate before the child process wake up. When the child process wakes up, its parent process ID may reflect the ID of the init process, indicating that the child has been adopted by the init process. If fork fails, an error message is printed. So we will execute this program by gcc and dot slash a dot out, and our output will be printed on the screen. After that, the next C program demonstrates the basic process creation using fork and shows how the parent process waits for the child process to terminate. So after including necessary header files, we will, in the main function, we will declare variable int status is equal to 0, and integer to hold the exit status of the child process. Again, the key point of this program are: the fork function create a new child process. The return value of fork help distinguish between the parent and child process. The child process prints its message and then exits immediately with status 0. The parent process prints its message and then waits for the child process to terminate using wait. The wait function suspend execution of the parent process until the child process terminate, allowing the parent process to retrieve the exit status of the child. Get PID returns the process ID of the calling process. Wait returns the process ID of the terminated child and store its exit status in the variable status. This program effectively demonstrates the use of fork system call to create a child process and wait system call to synchronize the parent process with the termination of the child process. Similarly, we will execute this program by gcc file name and dot slash a dot out, and the output of our program will be printed on the screen.